Okay, hi traders, here's a new video. First of all, a risk warning: your invested capital might be at risk. Don't trade with money you cannot afford to lose, and this video is not investment advice. So this video is another reading chart, how to read candlestick charts video. Yes, in this kind of videos I discuss with you those kind of videos which trades which I have already done based on support and resistance levels. Yes, to get more in detail in this kind of trades, because I trade them really fast, and when I'm doing this, I have not the time mostly to explain every kind of trade and in detail, and that is what I'm going to do here in this kind of reading chart, how to read candlestick charts. Yes, so and let's see, all my trades and everything what I'm doing here is based on those kind of things which I have explained in my ebook. So get this ebook, it's for free, you find the link in the description. This ebook contains the most important candlestick pattern, chart pattern, and binary option, turbo trading concepts, market condition, trend identification, rejection, and candlestick math, and a lot of more concepts which can be applied to any kind of time frame and any kind of financial instrument. So get this ebook, it's for free, you find the link in the description, and in the description you will find also the link to the Facebook group. Join the Facebook group. So okay, let me see what's going on here. Yes, so let's start immediately so we don't waste any kind of time. So this is the video, this is the market condition. I will explain this in detail, what is going on here. So we got here this kind of uptrend. Yes, here you see that what you should see immediately when you are following my videos, you understand this. We have here a Bollinger Squeeze, yes. Bollinger Squeeze, consolidation area breakout, which ends up in a strong uptrend. Here you see also, then we get here again into a downtrend, and this is what the whole concept is. This is all what it's about here, downtrend, and this is a trend channel, and that should be seen. 1 second, I have to open the door. So, okay, sorry for that. So, okay, we have here this kind of trend channel. You see how price is moving in this kind of trend channel, and that is the market condition. Yes, you see almost often a retracement. Here you see this uptrend, then we got here this kind of retracement. Yes, then a short continuation. Here we get now into a reversal. We are here below the 20 EMA, and so it looks like we are going into an uptrend. Sometimes we got here some retracement again of this upcoming downtrend. Yes, and that is you see here the edges. Yes, here you have a hanging man. Here you have evening star. That are really nice positions to do some trades. Yes, so and that is the market condition. So we are getting close to the 100 EMA. Yes, and you see the 20 EMA is pointing down too. So, and that is a nice downtrend, looking like a nice downtrend. So I will stop the video as soon I will enter into a trade. So I'm doing here some kind of support and resistance level, and I'm drawing this support and resistance level based on the change of polarity. Yes, that is what I have explained so often. Let me show you this. So we got a nice strong downtrend, and I draw due to this kind of change of polarity. Let me show you this, important because often I talk about this. So here we have resistance. Yes, here we have support, resistance, yes, support. You see here 3 times, yes. Then we got here support, and now this candle is breaking through this area, and you see this support and resistance level is getting in concurrence with the 100 EMA, which is going flat. And I have explained this often. If the EMAs are going flat, it's most probably that it will be broken. So that is only to show you this, yes, what the change of polarity is about, because when I'm doing this and drawing this kind of support and resistance level, I have not the time to show you this over and over again, and that's the reason why I'm doing this kind of videos. So yes, I'm showing them now. Yes, you see here and here, the position will be a little bit improved, yes, to the end, yes, and then it moved a little bit. So and you see it's almost a confluence between the 100 EMA and this kind of support and resistance level, yes, which is based on, okay, and then I enter into a put. So I enter in this kind of trend continuation because the trend is down, yes. I have shown you that this trend channel, which is a downtrend, this candle, yes, because we have here price action on the left, broke through this kind of support and resistance level, yes, and because this kind of candle broke not only the support and resistance level, it broke also the 100 EMA. This is what I would explain as BOTT sure short 4. Yes, the BOTT SS4. Yes, you can watch this video about the BOTT sure short 4. You break this area. Yes, in a major downtrend, you break this kind of area. After you break it with determination and you got a rejection from the same level again. Yes, then you can enter into a trend continuation, and that is what I have done here. Yes, here I entered into a trend continuation after the rejection of the I don't know, it cannot zoom in because it's zoomed out, but I think it was a rejection from the 100 EMA or even from the support and resistance level. Yes, we are going up again, yes. And because we closed below this, the previous candle closed below this, I was pretty much sure that price will continue to going down because we had here price action on the left. And why should this candle be so bearish, so strong, if this candle would not break through this? So, and you see price is going down, yes, it's going down and doing this trend continuation. This is BOTT sure short 4, yes, with a trend continuation, and yes. And that was in the money. So then I was drawing some new lines, yes, based on this candle which I played. You see here how I placed this kind. This wick here is on the same level like this flat Bollinger Band. And I have explained this. Let me show you this because I have to explain this over and over again because often traders don't watch all my videos. They watch only a few. So here, support and resistance, yes. Here, flat, support and resistance, that are areas, yes, where I would say that are nice support and resistance level. This is a nice support and resistance level, yes, because you see it was flat. Here we have a nice support and resistance level, yes. And let me see, yes, here, this is also a nice support and resistance level, which goes in confluence again. This is the same what I have drawn here because it's the same area, and that is what I'm telling you. The same is valid also for this one here. If you watch, you see here this flat Bollinger Band, and that are almost good support and resistance levels, yes. Watch out for those things if you see this kind of behavior. Also here, look at this. Here we have also a flat Bollinger Band, yes. And if you draw it, you see here, oh, that is a nice support and resistance level. That is what I have explained to you over and over again in the latest live trading videos. So, okay, I will continue this video to see what's happening here. And as soon as I enter into a trade, I will stop again. But that was only this one what I want to show you, yes, how you can identify nice support and resistance level, and much longer this flat not only Bollinger Bands, also the EMAs, because the Bollinger Band are not nothing else than EMAs too, yes. Also, if you get flat EMAs, that are almost good support and resistance levels, yes, which you can use later again if price will get back to this. But you have to be careful about this, this will be broken or not. So we got here now a breakout again, yes. We got a breakout of this support and resistance level. You see here the change of polarity. Let me show you this again for those one who do not see this. And you see here support, support, and here this candle confirms that this was now a resistance. That means that this area here will be now probably yes, a support level again, yes. And so let's see what I have done, yes. So this is a nice engulfing candle too. So price goes down, yes, and I'm doing the mouse already over the higher button, and then I enter into a call to get the best possible entry point, because I'm now sure that this area will act as support level, yes, and this is also a confirmation how to trade the engulfing candle. This is a bullish engulfing candle after a downtrend, yes, and that is also explained in detail exactly like I have traded now in the ebook, yes, about the engulfing candle, yes, really in detail. And so let's see what's happening now. And important is here, if this candle, and that I have explained in the latest deep explanation video, if this will be a week, yes, a week with a lower shadow, yes, longer lower shadow, yes, then this will be a retracement of this. Okay, it was not so weak, yes, it was a hammer. This is also a nice continuation pattern, yes, and that would be another call in this, of my opinion. But because this candle was so fast, yes, I was not able to enter into a call, because you have to be careful. Because if you enter in this kind of fast movement upwards, price often retrace back, and then you get an out of the money. I have warned you, and I have told you this so often. I think this should have been memorized by you. So, but important is, if this candle here would have been a weak candle, yes, then you could have expected, yes, that price would reverse here. That is what I have explained in my latest deep explanation videos, yes, about how to predict the next candlestick, yes, because that would be, that could have been also, if this candle would be a weak one, yes, that price, yes, would a bearish one, then you could have been also, okay, wait, first of all, then you have also got into a trend continuation. I will show you this again, yes, this kind of engulfing candle is that what I have explained here. Watch this. If this would be a bearish candle, it wasn't a bearish candle, yes, so it was a trend continuation, yes, but if this would be a bearish candle, it would be most probably that the price would have been gone up or further, yes. So let me show you this. Where do I have this? That is this deep explanation video here, yes, engulfing candle, bearish, bullish engulfing candle. Here, this. If this would be a red candle, yes, if this would have been a red candle, yes, or something like this with a lower shadow, upper lower shadow, a greater lower shadow than the upper shadow, then this would be a nice, continuation pattern, and I would have done a call. Yes, that is what I want to show you. Yes, but it was a nice bullish candle, which was also a clear call too. Yes, because at the end, such kind of candles, the hammer, the bullish hammer, is a nice. But let me show you this. Where do we? And that what I want to show you is this too. So we have this bullish hammer. So, and if after this bullish hammer here, yes, would have come this kind of weak candle, yes, that means if you would got here instead of this, because this is what you expect after a bullish hammer, yes, a big candle, something like this, yes, something like this, a big candle. But if you would get such candle like this one here, for example, or only this one, yes, or this one, then you could expect a reversal, yes, and that is the concept. But here in this case, this candle broke this support and resistance level here, which was also based on this kind of, look at this. Here we have this change of polarity, which I have to show you over and over again, because you have to practice your eyes. So here we have support, 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 yes, and here we got resistance, yes, and this candle broke this resistance now, yes, and so this level will be support, and that's the reason why I'm doing a call in this kind of condition. We have a bullish candle, we are here on support level, and this is nothing else than a call option on support in an uptrend. Yes, that is what I have done here, and that is what I try to explain. So, and here, if this candle would have been a weak candle, yes, something like this, yes, or something else, yes, with a higher, a bigger, higher shadow, yes, upper shadow bigger than the lower shadow, then you could have expected that the price would reverse here at this level, yes. But because we got this is what you expect after a hammer. Yes, after a bullish hammer, you expect mostly huge candles which are telling you that the trend will continue, yes. And if you don't get these expectations fulfilled, then you can expect that price will reverse, and then you have only to check this running candle to understand what's going on. So it looks also like in the money. So, and you see, we got here in the last second a retracement back, yes, to a doji, yes. Now we have here this scenario which I'm explained also in the ebook, the Marubozu candlestick-like candle. Yes, it's a Marubozu, but it has not to be a Marubozu. If you get this kind of Marubozu and you get this weak candle, and also in the last momentum a retracement, yes, to a weak candle, it doesn't matter if it's bullish or bearish. Yes, if you get something like this, you can expect that the next candle will go down, yes, because of this strong bullish candle, this indecision candle, and that is what I tried to explain you now here. Yes, because you see here this is example, we got here a strong bullish candle, got this kind of weak candle, yes, and that is I didn't have done this trade, but I would expect now after this candle that price would go down. So let's see what's happening here in the last few seconds. I didn't have done this trade, but because the video is almost over, I'm doing already the outro maybe, yes, and you see that price is not moving, yes, and you see price is going down, yes, and that is already a clear sign that this will be a reversal, yes, only to show you that those things which I have explained in my deep explanation video, I'm doing them, and this is already a few months ago. Yes, I have done these trades already a few months ago. Yes, and I understood these things, concepts already a few months ago. And so only to make it clear to you that this, what I'm telling you in my ebook, are not fantasy. Yes, it's real market behavior. So, okay, that was already. If you like this video, do a like. If you didn't subscribe, subscribe to my channel. And if you have something to say, drop me a line in the comment section. So I would say stay safe and bye-bye.